Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. So friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Tesla and most specifically what's next. This is the question that we are going to discuss, or the answer for this question we try to find out in this particular video. And I have talked about this particular stock on the downside, on the upside, then on the downside again, and you can check all my previous videos on Tesla. And this is one of the stock which perfectly suits the condition, as far as technical analysis is concerned. So this is something which perfectly suits the condition, and you can see in this analysis how the trend is working. Now what we have seen is, from the lower end of the range, this stock has moved by more than 40%. So this is a decent amount of bounce back, but this bounce back is happening when the stock has fallen nearly 75% from the top. Let me show you one more thing, and that is this one. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a head and shoulder pattern, and after that the big downside has started, and I have already talked about the downside in February 2022, so you can go and check out my video. And if you are thinking that the downside is over, I have my doubts. I definitely have my reservations over here. And if you are talking about the trend or the levels, okay, there may be a potential that the stock may bounce back to 180 or even 220 dollars, but this will be a bounce back. Whether the trend will reverse or not, that's going to be a big question. To simplify the situation, we have a very clear trend in front of us, and this clear trend is telling me, or this clear trend is suggesting me that if you are looking at the trend, or if you are looking at the price action, the levels that we are going to look at will be something like this. Okay, so if you are looking at the price action, you will see something like this. So here we are, and you can clearly see we are somewhere in the middle of the zone, which simply tells you that the correction is still not over. And I have a firm I would say this is my analysis. I have the reservation to go wrong. But if you are looking at the price chart, what you gonna see? If you are looking at the price chart, what we gonna see is further correction going forward, and the big support that at least I am looking at will be in between 35 and 30 and $60, somewhere in between that. So this is just a short-term bounce back or dead cat bounce. It may continue for couple of weeks to couple of months, because we are talking about the long-term chart. So last time the consolidation was there from 2014 to 2019, so it was a 5-year worth of consolidation, and this time a correction is happening rather than the consolidation. So when we are in a correcting mode rather than a consolidating mode, the correction may over soon, but by that time the price or the levels that we are going to look at on the downside, okay, or the price that we are going to look at once the correction is over, is way different than one can think. So as far as the levels are concerned, there is a possibility that the stock may bounce back to 180 or 200 to $20. Okay, that's not very surprising, but as far as the downside is concerned, it is not yet over. Okay, so this is something which we are going to look at. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.